Hello everyone, and thanks for watching. Wow, did I cook that? Today we're going to be food prepping for the week. We're going to be cooking Mexican chicken. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is prepare our vegetables by washing them in vinegar. Start off with, we're going to go and take care of the meat. Jay's going to go ahead and start cutting up the meat in about 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces. And in the meantime, while he's doing that, we've already have done our vegetables up. What do we have in our vegetables again?
1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 2 whole jalapenos, some celery leaves.
That adds to the flavor.
And a whole
garlic.
can of Rotel. And a 1/2 tablespoon of garlic. We're going to add salt and pepper and Cajun seasoning to that. A little garlic powder as well.
And you have Rotel in there as well, right?
Yes.
1 or 2 cans?
1.
Okay.
If I was doing more chicken, I would use more cans. Shake until you're desired. This is going to go in the bottom of the slow cooker. The chicken will get laid on top of this.
Also have 1 onion in there too, right?
Yeah, it's got an onion, a bell pepper, celery leaves, 2 whole jalapenos, a 1/2 tablespoon of garlic, and 1 can of Rotel. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some Cajun seasoning. You just want to mix this all together, and this is what the chicken is going to lay on.
Those onions are about to make me cry.
So those are 2 good sized chicken breasts right there. Finish getting those cut up. Okay, as you can see, we got it in the slow cooker. That's probably one of the best meal prepping ways. It cooks slow, keeps all the flavor. And once you get all this done right here, you just wait on it. There's nothing further to do until it's done.
Lay them in strips this way. Okay.
All right, we got that done.
I'm going to do salt and pepper across the top.
Again, you make this to your desired taste. And one
And
of
taco seasoning.
and taco seasoning, which puts the twang to it. Doing that a little bit.
That's the Mexican chicken.
One thing I also want to point out too on these slow cookers, those bags right there do wonders. You line that bag on the slow cooker, and it does great. And when you're done, you don't have to worry about no mess. Take that bag out there, throw it away, do a quick wash on it, and then it's done. You ain't got no sticking on the sides. Okay, so now we got it in the slow cooker. We have it on high. That's gonna cook for about 5 to 6 hours, and then that'll be done. And as you see, I got another slow cooker here. That's because we're gonna do one more chicken dinner, and then we're gonna shred it. Okay, so we'll shred that after it gets fully cooked.
So after this is done in 6 hours,
We're gonna shred it to use for tacos, quesadillas, or whatever you want throughout the week. And that's it, folks. That easy and simple. We're new out here, but please give our channel a thumbs up, a like, hit the subscribe button. Anything else you want to do, thank you. And I forgot, like and share it. There you go.